Find a local who looks like they know things. Sometimes the best way to navigate a city as sprawling and unpredictable as London is to trust the people who call it home. Maps can only get you so far, but a friendly face might just be the shortcut you need. I spot a woman with a tiny, well-dressed dog. She's got helpful vibes, the kind of person who probably knows every shortcut and hidden gem in the neighborhood. Her confident stride tells me she's definitely not lost. I ask for directions. She says, "Tube's that way, love, past the crooked church, left at the pub with the funny name." Her instructions are delivered with a smile, as if she's done this 100 times before. I thank her, feeling hopeful. Turns out in London, a lot of buildings are crooked. I pick the crookedest one and keep going, trusting her advice and my own instincts. No pub in sight. I'm more lost than before, spinning in circles and second-guessing every turn. Maybe I missed something. Or maybe the pub really does have a name so funny I just didn't recognize it. But then, I stumble into a quiet courtyard filled with bookshops and cafes. The air smells like coffee and old paper, and the noise of the city fades away. It's not on my map, but it's perfect. Sometimes getting lost is the best way to find something wonderful you never expected. Maybe the lady knew I'd find something better by getting lost. Maybe she was sending me on a little adventure of my own. Or maybe I just have a terrible sense of direction. Let's go with the first one. After